How does discrimination cause wrongful termination? Imagine working hard every day, only to be fired without a clear reason. Sometimes, the real reason isn't about your performance but about who you are. That's what discrimination in the workplace looks like. Most jobs in the United States are at will, meaning employers can let someone go for almost any reason or no reason at all. But there are important rules that protect employees from unfair treatment. If an employer fires someone because of their race, religion, sex, age, disability, or national origin, that's illegal. This kind of firing is called wrongful termination. Discrimination happens when someone is treated unfairly just because of their personal characteristics. Federal laws like the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Age Discrimination in Employment Act make it illegal to fire someone for these reasons. Many states also have their own laws that protect additional groups, like those based on sexual orientation or gender identity. When an employee can prove that their firing was because of discrimination, they might have a strong case for wrongful termination. Wrongful termination can also happen if an employer retaliates against an employee. For example, if someone reports discrimination or unsafe work conditions and then gets fired, that's retaliation. Laws protect workers who stand up for their rights or report illegal activities. So, if you speak up about unfair treatment and then lose your job, it might be wrongful termination based on retaliation. For people reentering the workforce after incarceration, understanding these protections is especially important. They often face stereotypes and biases that can make it harder to find and keep a job. Knowing your rights helps you recognize if you've been treated unfairly. If you believe you were fired because of discrimination or retaliation, you can file a complaint with agencies like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission or your state's labor department. These agencies investigate claims and can help you understand your options. To take action, it's helpful to keep records of what happened. Save emails, messages, or notes about incidents. Reach out to legal aid organizations or community groups that offer support for reentry and employment rights. Many of these groups provide free or low-cost help to figure out if you have a case. Even if you're unsure, asking for help is a good step forward. In summary, discrimination causes wrongful termination when an employer fires someone because of protected traits like race, religion, gender, age, or disability. It also includes firing someone for reporting discrimination or unsafe conditions. These actions are against the law, and employees have the right to challenge unfair treatment. For those rebuilding after incarceration, knowing these rights can make a big difference in securing fair work opportunities and moving forward confidently.